welcome to my video on Don't Press the Button. I'm sorry if I butchered the pronunciation. This is my first video, and I'm sorry if my voice is extremely annoying. I'm incredibly sorry. And also, I'm sorry if the audio is bad. I'm trying. I did get a microphone, but it's messed up and the audio gets really bad. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. So you're going to have to expect a lot of Roblox videos on this channel. And since this is the first, the quality might go up in the future. And I'm sorry if the quality here is super bad. Oh no, someone pressed the button. Oh god, it's like Bubblegum Simulator. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, I haven't played that in so long. Oh, it's easier than Bubblegum Simulator. I take that back. No. What? Is this just a giant trampoline? Oh, I just did a whole 360 multiple times. Actually, it's probably more than 360. It's like 380 or something. I'm not sure. I'm not that good at degrees. Oh, come on. Reach the end. Okay. Oh no, oh no, oh god, it's too fast, it's too fast, it's too fast. Oh god, no! Coin. Sorry, I got distracted by a coin. I'm sorry if I get like quiet. I just don't know what to say. I'm not good at constantly talking. Oh god. I don't really know how to make portions of videos yet. How to like cut videos. I guess we'll have to edit out the annoying bits and make it like cut so it's more polished and normal. Oh god. Hurry to the ground. Oh. No, I can't wait, I can't sprint. I can't sprint. Oh, I did it. Yes! Yeah! Disconnect. I did it! Go to the color shown. Oh my god. Didn't see the color. Oh my god. This is gonna probably end up being a very short video. I'm so sorry. Might be like 10 minutes. Oh my god. My nose just acted. Oh my god, I'm so sorry if this is super weird and unscripted. Because I'm trying to make it more natural. And I have no idea what to say. But I guess... Oh god. Oh. Wait, snowballs? Oh god. I know it's not that deep into the video and I should have probably done it in the beginning. But please subscribe. It really helps the channel. Oh. oh. Not the best idea to do it right now. No, 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 no. Oh god, oh god, oh shoot. I have to like constantly look up. What if I bump into someone? Oh. Oh my god, dino costume. I actually wanted to buy this, but then I got a bacon costume instead. Not, oh god. Wait, race? Oh no, I'm not ready, I'm not ready. Are you joking with me? How are they getting so fast? I think I'll be the third at least. I guess I'll be third. I made it third. I made it third. Phew. Why did I say it like that? I'm so sorry if this video is super cringy. I'll learn, I think. I hope I'll learn how to be less cringy. Sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. First video, and I'm not that good at this. This is the first time I've ever done something like this. Please excuse my cringy video and how bad it is. I know you're gonna cringe so hard. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh. Oh no. Oh my god. This is freaking me out. Oh, I made it to the end. I made it to the end. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, we're still in the dino costumes except for the people who came here. That's kind of sad. But hey, at least we have dino costumes on. I look stylish. Big brain. I am a hideous monster. I am hideous. No, my microwave. Grab the most amount of candy. Oh no. Oh, candy? I think I found one. I think I found one. Oh god. How do I see how many candies I have? Are you kidding me? I hate you. I want you to go into a volcano because that is the worst insult I can come up with that isn't too bad. I got it! I got it! Oh, holiday cookie. No, no holiday cake. Oh god. The donuts. Wait. Oh, they're hats, and that's why they look like fabric. I got very confused for a second. Chocolate? Oh, you can't go for the chocolate? Why can you go for everything here except the chocolate? I have no words. I'm sorry. I have no words. Oh! What? Don't fall down into the lava? Oh god, I just lost a huge chunk of time. Oh god, no, I want to be first. Oh god, oh my god! Ah! No, I didn't know that could happen. Oh my god, this is the first time I've ever played this game. No, please don't do this to me. Oh god. Oh, okay. It's best if I stay on the edges so I can see where the things are. Oh, no, not the lava, not the lava. No. Oh god. No, I'm so close to lava. I did it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did I press it? I don't know if I pressed it or not. Oh. Oh, I have so bad reaction time. I'm so sorry. I keep like talking to the audience. Wait. Oh, I pressed the button. Oh, that's me. That's so cool. Don't get caught. What do I do? What? Get caught by... Oh, caught by the police. Oh, now I get it. Now I get it. Yeah, this wasn't planned. None of this was actually. I didn't plan. I just went into a game and started recording. Oh, God. And I'm sorry if my voice is very high. I don't know why. Oh, God. And no, it's not just gonna be press the button content. That would get very boring quite quickly. It's gonna be a variety of different Roblox stuff. No! Oh man. Are you kidding me? Did I press it? Oh, get to the bottom. Oh, this doesn't look too hard. Just dodge the spikes somehow and pipes. Oh god, this is kind of dangerous. My only question is, how is it going through the net? Is it breaking the net? But then we would fall down. Okay, me thinking is boring. I should stop. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry that you had to hear me rambling. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry that I keep saying sorry. Are you kidding me? Oh, I guess I'll just... Oh! I did it! Yes! Oh, what? How does that work? Oh my god. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. It felt like it went very quickly, and I'm gonna have to see you guys later. Bye! Please subscribe, by the way.